Hey guys, what's up? This is Joe. We're going to be checking out a Sudoku today by Sudoku Grand Prix Croatia called Alternating Stripes Sudoku. Lot of digits. A whole heap of help. Let me get some tunes going. Normal Sudoku rules apply. That is 1 through 9 in every column, row, and 3x3 box. Along each orange or gray stripe, digits must be alternately larger and smaller than their immediate neighbors. Digits may not repeat anywhere on a stripe. Digits must be alternately larger and smaller than their immediate neighbor. What? Alright. So if it's small, big, small, big, something like that maybe. So does this mean this has to be a 4? No, just along the line. Right, because that one can't be smaller and larger than those two. So it's along the line, they have to be smaller than one and larger than the other, I think. Let's do Sudoku first. Let's see what we can get from it. So, these ones will kind of corral one down here. These 5s here are going to point me toward that corner. Sevens are going to give me a 7 here somewhere. Nine is going to give me a 9 in one of these. Eight is going to be in one of these. Three is going to be there. 3 is going to be on one of these. 8. Four is only got 2 options there. It's got 3 options there. start thinking about these lines maybe. So the 5, okay, this cannot be a 5, I don't think. Oh right, digits may not repeat on a stripe. So that solves that, but I was also thinking that it has to be either larger or smaller than the 5, but that made it easy on that one. It would also give me a 5 down there. 8 is going to be one of these. Okay, so if this was to be smaller, it would have to be a 2 or a 4 only. If it was to be bigger, it would have to be a 7 or 9 only. This way would be 2 or 4 again, only. Higher would be 6 or 7 only. Okay. If this was a 6 or 7, it would have to go down. And the only digit left would be a 4. If it was a 6 or a 7. If it was a 2 or 4, then it could be a 6, 7, or 8. I think that obeys the rules. The 2 has to go here somewhere. So it has to go here somewhere. Where else do we have a digit on a line? Only the 3. If it was lower, it would have to be a 2. If it was higher, it could probably be darn near anything. But if it was higher, say if this was even 6 could go there. Oh well, it couldn't be a 9, so it would have to be, the highest it could be is a 7. And then this would have to be lower, and it could only be a 2 or a 6. This could have been a 6. Could have been a 4 too, I guess. But this one can only be a 2 or a 6. And if this was a 6 or a 2, this couldn't be a 7 because it would be higher than both sides. I think that is correct. So if this was a 2, it couldn't go down. could only go up, but it could be a 3, 6, or 7. If it was a 6, then it has to go down, and it can only be a 2 or a 3. It can't be a 3 because it's already been on the line. Let's keep going, see if we get anything. So if it was a 2, the other number was higher. As in, it was lower than that one. This has to be higher than a 2. Can't be a 3, can't be a 4, can't be a 5. Can be a 6, can be an 8, it cannot be a 9. If it is a 6 or a 7, let's do the 7. So it could be a 6, cannot be a 5, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 2, can be a 1. If it was to go down, so let's go, what is above 1? What is able to be here above 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 3, 8. What about below 8? Would it be the same? No, 1 could still go there. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If it was 1, 3, it could be a 4, or a 6, or an 8. Nope. If it was an 8, it could be a 6, or a 1. So that is every option there. So if it did start by going down, it would be 2, 6. Well, it's already broke. So it doesn't go down. It only goes up. So this has to be a 2. I don't know if I'm doing that right. It has to be higher and lower. I don't think I am. Let's see here. This must be alternately larger and smaller than their immediate neighbors. I mean, is that 4, 5? How would you even do that? Oh, you'd have to go up and then back down. Is that right? I think it is. So I'd have to go 4, 6, 7. Let me just try that. And then I have to go back down. Oh no, they can't repeat. Well, maybe that's okay. It would be 5. Couldn't be 5. Couldn't be 3. I guess that could be... How can you be alternately larger? The 4 is larger than 3, but smaller than the 6. 4, 6, 7. I don't know if I'm understanding that rule. Alternately larger and smaller. How are you larger and smaller than your immediate neighbor? Or is it meaning these neighbors? Let me keep going on Sudoku, see what I get. If I even can. Nine. Nine cannot go in the middle here, because then it would be in the corner. Let me take these out as well. I don't know if I did that logic right. Leave the 2 there. The 2 does belong in that column. I'll leave the 8 there as well. So the 9 goes in one of these. And then the 9 goes in one of these. That guy had a lot to say. Good for him. 2 has to be in this top with the 9, as it's in both of these side columns here. Otherwise it wouldn't have anywhere in the top row. So this is a 2-9 combo wombo. This is going to be a 4-7, is it? Oh, and it can't be a 7. That works out well. So that is a 4, that is a 7. This is going to be a 4 here then. This is going to be a 4 in the corner. It's going to be a 4 in one of these 2. It's going to be a 4 in the middle with the 2. So we have a 2-4. This is going to be a 6. 6 down here. 6 is also going to be somewhere else eventually. So is this now a 1-8? Oh, and it can't be. So the 1 goes in one of these. Alternately. Right, so I think it just means it goes down, then up, then down. Or else, How can it be alternately larger or lower? So I think this just means that that's going to be a 2, because it has to go down from the 8 and then back up regardless of what this is. So I'm going to go with that for now. I may not be understanding the rules correctly, but we'll find out soon enough. This gives us a 9 there. So I'm going to say this has to go back up. Can't be 5, can't be 6, can't be 7, can't be 9. This has to go back down now. It can't be 1, 2, or 4. It has to be 3 or 6. This has to go up. It has to be 7 or 9. So it has to go down from 7 or 9. It can't, if it is, it has to go down. If it's a 9, it can't be an 8, because then it would have to go back up to a 9, which is already in the column. So this can't be an 8. It can't be a 7, even if it's a 9, because the 7 would go there. Can't be a 6, can't be a 5, can't be a 4, can't be a 3. It can be a 1 or a 2 only. And again, if it's a 1, it would have to go back up to a 2. Or well, no, wait, it could go up to higher. Well, anyway, it has to go back up. So it has to go back up to at least a 3. Can be a 4, can be a 6 or a 7. I think. Okay. 9. Oh yeah, okay. 9 can go there. Could this go down to a 1? It could. Let's go elsewhere for now. 5. Could be 6, 7, or 8. Or it could be 1 or 4. Okay. One. Oh, numbers cannot repeat on a line either. That can't be 4. Anywhere on a stripe. Well, obviously, is only talking about its own stripe. But that does mean the 1 can't go there. So the 1 does go there. But there's a few places I could do that with. I was just marking. So it went down. It has to go up, which has to be at least 6. And there's 6, 7, or 9, looks like. Then it has to go down. One goes here somewhere. This is a 2-4 pair here. Oh wait, 3's already down there. What's left in this row? A 4, no. A 6, a 7, and a 9. This is seeing a lot of numbers. It can be a 1 or a 6. I think that's it. What about this one? 1, 2, 3. Or a 6. Oh no, this can only be a 3? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. But 3 cannot be on the line, right? So I am doing this incorrectly. Okay. I think this needs an example. Larger and smaller than their immediate neighbors. Maybe that means larger and smaller like that. Let me back all the way up to that, what was it, the 9? The 9 on the top, I think. Is that it? No, I think it was farther than that. I don't know. Hopefully that's far enough. This was 4, 7. Right, but I mean, I don't think that's wrong to this point, because I think that's all just Sudoku. So I mean, but still, like, larger and smaller than their immediate neighbors, like, I mean, does that mean this has to go up because both of these are smaller? Maybe. It would be a 6 or 7. And then, so either this one or this one would need to be higher? Maybe. The 4 would have to have a smaller number somewhere in this vicinity? I'm not sure. Let's keep racking the old brain. This can't be a 1. 1 does go in here somewhere. Oh, right. And so that is the 8. That is 1. I think here's where I decided, okay, it must be that way. But this has a lower, it has a higher. So I think that rule is followed, if I'm now understanding it correctly. I may still be understanding it incorrectly. It has been known to happen. What did I find out earlier about 9? I think I already sorted it out. Okay. So there's a higher than. Needs a lower than. There's a higher. Oh look, you can't have a number lower than a 1. Oh, maybe... I bet you this means... I'm gonna restart this. I think this means... Since both of them are lower, this would have to be a... I mean, since the 4 is higher than both these, this digit has to be lower than all these. So it has to be a 1, basically, is what I'm saying. I wonder if I'm not too deep into where I can still... But see, look at this one, like... And then I don't know if that would be correct. I'm just gonna restart it with... Maybe that's what it means. This one's still 5 because it's Sudoku. The Sudoku hasn't changed that I know of. Three goes in one of these two. 3 goes here or here. 3 goes there. 3 cannot go on the line. 3 cannot go on the line. 3 cannot go on the line. 3 goes in one of those two. And it goes in one of these two. 3, 5, 2, 8. Okay. We'll keep Sudoku in. 2 still went there. 2 still went there. 5 can't go here. It gives me a 5 down there. It didn't fix my 3 issue. I do think I have more that should be resolved from that. 9, right. 9 had to go up at the top here. With a 2, if I remember correctly, but that may change, that may be changed. No, it isn't changed because 2 is in this column and column 1 down there toward the bottom. So that means 2 goes in one of these, and since 2 goes in one of these, it has to go on the top row somewhere. So it does go in one of those two. So that is still a 2-9 combo. This still is a 4-7 on the edges, which 7 is in the column, so... I mean, as far as that's going, we're filling this puzzle quite a lot. But... But yeah, 4 has to go there. 4 now still goes there. So I think now Cause, alright, so look. The 5 has lower numbers beside it. Right? And I can make these all lower if those were 2s and that was a 4. And I think that's what it's wanting me to do. Or actually, I think that one could be anything. But, like, these could be 1, 2, 3, 4 is what I'm saying. And then whatever this is, that would have to be a 4. And this would have to be a 2, so everything around it is higher. Yeah, I think that might be what I'm needing to do. No, but look, Sudoku is showing me that 1 does belong in there, so 1 does belong there, and then 8, that makes 8 go there. So I mean, now I'm back to thinking it probably isn't right, because this is alternately larger and smaller than their immediate neighbor. So these 2 are smaller, so maybe these 2 are larger, which would have to be a 6 here. Maybe that's what it is. Alternately larger and smaller. But, I mean, I don't know if that would work either. Because if this was larger than this number, which it would have to be, it would be saying, like, this would have to be smaller, but this would have to be larger, and then this would have to be smaller. I don't know. Two, 4, 5. Well, no, 2, 4, 6. This is only a 6. 4 goes here. This is a 1, 6, 7, 9. What do we got here? 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7 goes there. Okay. Can I take any more off the line? I don't believe so. Eight. Alright, 8 goes on the line in one of these 2 spots. So I know that 8, well, I know that anyway, huh? What's this number? A 1? What can it be? 1 or a 6? And that is all. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, alright. 7 digits long. Well, a 9 can't go on it. And a 3's already on it. And the 4 go on it. A 4 can't go here. A 4 can't go here. A 4 has to go there. So a 4 has to go in one of these. What about a 5? Okay. A 5 can't go on the line, and a 9 can't go on the line. Every other number goes on the line. So the 7 has to go here. 7 goes there. Which leaves a 2, 6. The 2 has to go on the line. It's up way over here. So it has to go there. That's the only spot for 4 now. Okay, and 8 goes. A 6 has to go on the. What were the numbers? 5 and 9 don't go on the line. So it still needs a 1, 6, and 8. So this is a 1, 6, 8. There's a 1, 6, 8. The 1, okay, the 1 goes here. The 1 goes in one of these spots. Maybe it goes in one of these. If it goes, can't go there. I guess that's okay. What else is missing in this column? Because this could be. The only thing missing in that column is 1, 8, and 6. So this is also 1 or 8. And this is a 6 or 8. Okay. This could also be an 8. It does go on the bottom somewhere. 2 could go here or here in the row. What is this missing? A 2, 6, 8? Yeah. So this is a 2, 6, 8. This is a 2 or 6. Okay. One goes here somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6, 8, 1, 6, 9. 6, 9. 6, 9. What's this one? 2. This is only a 2, 7, or 9. Or no, it's only a 2, 9 actually. Not gonna lie, I'm trying to avoid these lines for a moment until I am out of options because I'm not sure I'm fully understanding them. I get closer to the end, I can make myself understand them by process of elimination. Or I may just utterly fail to not, okay, 9 could go there, or 9 could go there as well. 7. 7 has to go in this top. Yeah. 7 goes in this top row. What else goes here? This is just 2, 7, or 9, right? 2, 7, or 9. I mean, I've almost marked every single, well, in a lot of the cages I've marked every single square possibility, which is a bit chaotic. 3 goes there somewhere. If this was a 2, that would be a 2. One of these would be a 2. One of these would be a 2. That looks okay. This was a 2. The 2 would be somewhere there. I guess that's okay. What else do we have in the ways of Sudoku? If the 6 one here, it would go here. Well, if this, if the 2 goes there, it could still go in either one. If the 6 goes there, couldn't go in there, it would have to go at the bottom. If this is a 6, it goes down here, and then it goes there, and then it goes there, and then it goes there, and there, and one of those, and then it has nowhere to go here. That's not a 6. Is that right? Yeah, it is. This is a 2. This is a 2, because it's got nowhere else to live. That's a 7, 9 now, which makes that a 6. Am I gonna do this entire puzzle without even thinking about the line? Probably not. But, well, we already know that one of these have a 2 on it. Oh. Right there. Oh. This guy might have a little pinned up anger. Everybody be careful. Nine goes at the top row here. 9 goes at the bottom. This is another 2-9 combo, which is gonna put a 1-6 here, so it has to be a 6 because there's a 1 in the column. That's gonna give us 6 in the middle here. There's a 1. Yeah, good. There's a 1, 9. Well, let's just mark it. 1, 7, 9. What else is missing? 2? Yeah. This is a... Alright, yeah. All these are gonna be triples, yeah. Good. 2, 9. Okay, if this was a 9... Let's see here. Let's think. If this was a 9, that would have to be a 9. That would be a 9. That would be a 9. A 9. A 9. A 9. One of those. One of those. Good. All looks funky and Dory both. If this was a 9, it's even less helpful, isn't it? I think, okay. Oh, 1 cannot go here, check it out. That's a 7-9 combo now. So that is a 1. Now we have another... Oh yeah, of course those are gonna make doubles. That's all that's left in the column. Okay. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. Alternatively, 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. Both of those look alright. So, went down, went up, went down. I don't know. What's this one doing? Went down, up. Alright, I'm gonna just color this a bunch of times like this. And then I'm gonna delete it. And that's just like kind of like my safe spot. So I'm gonna claim, if I'm understanding the rules correctly, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Alternately. Down, up, 9 can't be on it again. Goes down, up, and then down. It has to be a 7. There's a 1-2 pair here. It goes up, it goes down, it could be either. This could go down still. Those would be either, 2 cannot be on the line. This is a 7 now. So I think that's gonna be a 1, but I'll just mark them up. What is it, a 1-8? Well, we know that then. So that is a 1, that's an 8. That's because 8 was here in this column. So it could only be a 1-8 because of the row, and I had the 8 there. This is now an 8. A 1 belongs right there. And unless I did it incorrectly, that's gonna solve this one. So, yeah, I must have just messed up at the beginning. But it was just down, up, down. Down, up, down. I thought I misunderstood the rules, but I guess I made an error elsewhere. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.